This cat, it's literally 9:22 in the freaking morning. My mom's even asleep. My brother's asleep. Then my dad, which isn't here, but he's not here today. So, because he's at work. This cat will not shush. Shush. Why are you sniffing the freaking phone? Why are you sniffing the phone? It's a weird cat. But I love him. Where the flip are you going? Freaking adorable. You won't stop complaining till I pet him or something. Don't know. Is he? Will you ever be quiet? Okay, I guess not. There is a fly right there. What up? It hit me right in the freaking stomach. That was weird. Nope. He keeps running into me for no reason. Bull crap. And my cat follows me. Of course. My cat literally loves me. He followed me right to his food bowl. You know I'm not giving you any food. You have a ton of food. Look at that. He has a ton of freaking cat food. He has a cup of it even. Look. That's your cat food. I have to show him his cat food in order for him to eat it. It's weird. Freaking weird kitty. A weird cat. I tell you, weird cat.